Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Everything's on fire, but yeah, we can do it.
Let's talk for a few minutes, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, this is wild.
Yeah.
I like it. So what's your name, man? What's in here? Go ahead.
Michael Wilson. I'm the owner at Tate Soon from a local shop here in Marion, North Carolina.
Okay.
I got 6 ZB318s.
That's wild.
And then running on 3 Sonics.
Okay. You got a little cooling fan. I can feel the heat coming off of it.
Yeah.
Wow, you must have been demoing hard today.
I think that guy that just got out was about 40 in a row.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. So what made you do 8? There you go. So what made you do 18s instead of 15s or something like that? Just cone area, you had the room, or?
So I first started it off as doing 4 XV3 15s.
Okay.
And I kept my full interior because I own a shop, you know, and I was trying to do a full interior build, show people you can still be loud with the full interior. Mm-hmm. And then I started getting involved in Bass Outlaws here locally. Okay. And wanted to do a no wall competition. Yeah. And my box builder loves 18s, so
yeah.
we went this route, and I love it.
Nice. This is awesome. It's a really big box. How'd y'all get it in here? Just slid in, or y'all had a group of people?
Right
Wow.
Yeah, about 4 of us.
Man. Nice. How many cubes is in this box? You know?
It's 33. It's tuned at 30.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
But it'll play all the way down to 20. Pretty good.
And last question, and I'm promise I'm done. What made you do rear port up instead of back?
Trying to save the hatch as much as I can.
Okay. Yeah, more pressure up in the roof, a little over.
And I'm trying to get it forward for. I'm doing, no wall competitions.
Yes, sir.
So, yeah.
Okay.
Just trial and error.
Yeah. Where's your battery bank?
On this side.
Oh, okay. Got it. Oh, I
It's
see.
100 amp hours of underground power.
Okay. And then the alternator's up. Oh, the
I got 2 McMahon 400s.
Okay. Sweet. Yeah, I would love to hear it, man.
Yes, sir.
Did you do an SPO burp test?
So when the subs were brand new, it did a 57.3 at 39 hertz.
Wow.
But they're working pretty good now, so I'm expecting, trying to get closer and closer to 60.
And that back hatch is still is it broken yet? Have you done some any fab work on the back of the hatch to keep it from? Yeah.
As much as we can.
Yeah.
And still be legal in no wall.
I was about to ask that next. Why not brace? Yeah, but keep it no wall.
Yeah.
Very nice. I'm gonna look under your hood real quick too.
Yes, sir. I got business cards on the table too if you want to get a shot of that.
Yeah, I'll check it all out. Yes, sir. I'll check it all out.
Try and get the name out there.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Wow. I do have a question for you because I'm still learning. What is the height that you need here?
13.
13, okay.
Yeah, from the baffle to the roof.
Okay,
Yeah.
got it. So, okay.
13 inches.
Got it. Awesome. Appreciate that. I was
Thank
learning.
you.
Thank you.
The umbrella is over there. despite what you heard or what you saw. When you look at me, man, you see hardcore, a real street hood nigga. Wish a nigga would, nigga. I don't give a damn what you think about it all. If you think I'm crazy, that's right. You think I'm lazy, that's right. Cause it don't really matter what you think about me, nigga. Fuck you, baby. That's right.
impressed. The box didn't hardly move much. I mean, a little, but not much. You really built it brace pretty well, man.
Yeah.
Nice. And that back hatch is still is it broken yet? Have you done some any fab work on the back of the hatch to keep it from? Yeah.
As much as we can.
Yeah.
And still be legal in no wall.
I was about to ask that next. Why not brace? Yeah, but we'll keep it no wall.
Yeah.
Very nice. I appreciate the demo. Nice to meet you. Your name again?
Michael Wilson.
Michael. Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you, Michael. I appreciate it, man. It was a crazy back flex. I don't know how he's not breaking it. It's crazy.
I got business cards on the table too if you want to get a shot of that.
Yeah, I'll check it all out. Yes, sir. I'll check it all out.
Try to get the name out there.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man.